All right, and we're live now. Boom. Let's go, baby. All right, I need to check if it's actually okay if I need to adjust the fucking lighting a little bit. All right, I'm just gonna have it quick and easy today. But all right, so this week's goals. There's a lot to discover this week, bro. So actually, I'm just gonna start recording my. I think I'm just gonna record my screen. Yeah, I'm just gonna record. What the fuck am I listening to now, man? I don't want to listen to this shit. I just want to listen to something nice, New window, man. Let's do it. Maybe Malte Martin, baby. Yeah, I'm just gonna listen to him a little bit. I like it. All right, yeah. So basically, this week's I did my future plans. Last week, we have all these goals set up, 90 days goals. That's what I'm going to focus on right now. But, 1 year goals, and also this week, we actually got an update on the fucking machine, finally, on the energy drink dispenser. And I gotta tell you, man, I'm just speechless, man. It just... I don't know, man. It just blew me the fuck away, man. I was just speechless. I can't barely talk about it right now because, it's still being like, I have sunk in everything into this. And finally seeing this happen. It's just basically like a dream come true, man. And we are getting really close to just, now me and Sam are gonna handle the rest, And I know we can sell this machine, bro, because this looks phenomenal, bro. I might be able to share some with you soon, but, not right now, so. But alright, let's go and check my week, man. I booked 20 meetings, I think, this week. I was sick, part of the week, I was sick on... Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but I pulled myself up on Wednesday. Did everything I had to do on Thursday, but I kind of don't want to I don't check all the boxes because it kind of defeats the purpose, because I do this every day. Even though I'm sick, I don't. If I'm sick, I don't do my work, I don't do the cold calls, because I don't care about it, But I still do my dropshipping, I do the coffee shit. I do my goals for the week, and also we actually crushed one of our goals this week, I need to take the Ikigai test and the wealth dynamics test before Monday. I'm gonna post my first video as well. I did read one book. I started reading one book. I'm just basically reading the Daily Stoic. I'm not really sure what's it called. Daily Stoic by... Fuck, I can't remember it right now. But yeah, so, and that's really kind of changed my life a little bit again, because if you're reading Stoicism books, you always get this feeling that you're made for something bigger than your worries, This is all up here, man, and basically the only thing you can control is your fucking head, so... I like it, man. This is a challenge for me, because I have had a lot of issues in my past, so... Just master your mind, or just master self. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to do the wealth dynamic test next week, build a system for myself as well. I have already done that, basically. But, post one of my first videos. That's going to be coming on, yeah. I'm actually just waiting on a guy to give me a feedback. For coffee, it was not really much that happened this week, but still we got the machine. We actually got to see it. We have a meeting Monday with our team, and we're gonna set everything up then, and hopefully I can show you guys something a little bit, And yeah, so basically this, I got my first sale in dropshipping just yesterday, bro. Yeah, so that's. Told you, man. Told you I would get this done, bro. So yeah, I'm just gonna run ads. I'm just gonna test products. After pricing, using SOP, yeah, I've already done that. So this week is basically kind of like the last week. It was not like too much progress. But I'm gonna take the Ikigai test and the wealth dynamic test before. I think I have a meeting on Tuesday or something with people that are gonna be talking to me about that. My mentors or whatever you call them. My potential mentors. So. But yeah, I think that's basically it. This week or the next week, like the next coming week. I'm just gonna turn this shit off right now. The next coming week is gonna be. It's gonna be a little bit different, I had my first sale in dropshipping, so now I know a little bit more, Now I know how to run the ads, now I know how to run my store, now I know how to do the product research, how to post my products, how to sell my products, how to do everything, and I'm just getting up to speed on everything. And Farouk or Ecom Legend is an amazing guy, man, and like their team and just the fucking community, bro. It's phenomenal, bro. Every time I have a question or something, they always answer me. And if they don't answer me, they are just waiting for me to figure it out. So I think yesterday I had some problems with my ads, and Farouk just told me, use credit cards instead of balance. And I didn't know what he meant at first. So I just asked him again and again and again, and he didn't answer, until I said I found it out, no worries, So you gotta be able to help yourself, in these type of programs, because these are e-com guys. These are really hardcore e-com guys, and they know how to fucking run a store, and they know how to fucking sell products, They are not gonna be your mom and dad, But, it's a really tight-knit community, and I feel like they're my brothers, so that's good, man. But yeah, so goals for my personal week. Like I said, I'm gonna post my first YouTube video. I'm trying to build a system for myself, but it's not necessary right now because I've actually just started documenting my goals basically for the next 90 days. So in the next 90 days, I'm gonna be moving to Kuala Lumpur, and yeah, that's at least that's the. What the fuck is this, man? Still fuck. But yeah, so we're gonna be moving to Kuala Lumpur. I think we're gonna be moving it from January to February, because we're gonna have because Craftwheel is actually gonna be taking a huge part of this next coming months, because we're gonna be getting our fucking MVP finally. And we are gonna launch here in Iceland. We're just gonna, because the money's tight and we don't have a lot of money, so, and I know how to run ads, so we are just gonna meet our video guy Anton, and photography, and just take product images of the product, take videos up for everything, we can actually just contact Anton. I'm just gonna put it in here. And yeah, so basically that's my goals for the week for Craftwheel. But in the coming months, the reason why we decided not to go in January is because we have to let the machine just take its toll, take its course, and we can't rush into anything. So, and also for the ads and everything here in Iceland, we are only let's say we are 360,000 people here that live here, man. So, and I'm doing dropshipping, in Germany, and I'm actually advertising with a really small budget to over 50 million people. We have Germany, Switzerland, Belgium, Austria. So, just put that into perspective, bro. When we only can sell up to around 400 to 500 machines in the beginning, so it's a fucking no-brainer just to get this done right now. So, yeah, for dropshipping, I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. I'm just gonna update my store. Shopify has some error message for me as well. I'm just gonna run products, run ads, test products, product research. I'm gonna set up CRM for Klaviyo as well, because I'm start getting some customers in. And after that, I'm just chilling, bro. I'm just fucking chilling. Yeah. Yeah, my diet right now, we can probably go into the diet. I'm trying to cut out as much carbs as possible, so because I fucking love carbs, man. Carbs have been my only source of power or for a long time. So now I'm transitioning into more like low carb diet, you know. I start my mornings to like, you know, just wake up at 6 a.m., go for a walk, 1 milliliter and 1 liter of water, meditate. So then I go to the gym, hit the sauna, hit the plunge or cold shower. And then I have my healthy breakfast. That's breakfast number 1, basically breakfast. I have 3 whole eggs, and then I have 2 oranges, freshly squeezed, just in a cup, you know, just in a, you know, in a glass. And after that, I go do my tasks. You know, I need to rearrange a little bit too much because, yeah, I need to shift some things around, you know, because I want to be doing the dropshipping stuff in the mornings, calling in the evenings, in the middle of the day, like my job, and I want to do coffee in the evenings, you know. Just give it like, yeah, you know, 2 or 3 hours each day, each task. And yeah, I split my days up to like 6 to 12, 12 to 6, 6 to 12. You know, you understand what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's the meal number 1. Meal number 2 is, I've actually started eating shrimp a lot right now, shrimp and broccoli. That's meal number 2. And meal number 3, I'm gonna be doing like a boost type thing, like a shake, protein shake. I'm gonna have protein, we're gonna have almond milk, blueberries, avocado, peanut butter, and yeah, I think that's it. And then for the evenings, you know, then I have my big meal, you know. I have either red meat or like a fish or something, you know, like salmon, and then I have my carbs, either rice or like potatoes, you know. So that's, yeah. And then in the evenings, I just eat some, you know, some fruits or, you know, in the late evenings, because I love to snack, man. So it's either fruits, Greek yogurt, or, you know, something like that, or a little bit of candy, you know. But I only do that like on the weekend. So, and yeah, that's basically my day, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna head upstairs. It's Sunday right now. It's my chill and recovery day. I'm done with my research for the day. Me and my girlfriend are gonna go, what's it called, to go swimming or whatever, you know. And we're gonna go to the sauna and the cold plunge and everything. So I'm gonna get everything done fucking right. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.